The practice of Digital India, vision of Digital India. Digital India has a deep vision. The first one is digital infrastructure as a utility to every citizen. Infrastructure is essential for existence and success. When infrastructure is not available, it makes life very hard. For instance, if a road or a town is not connected by road or railway, or if the roads are poorly built, then traveling from that village of nearby city takes more effort, consumes more time, and make people less productive. Secondly, lack of basic infrastructure impedes economic activities and hence progress. Business are discouraged to invest money and set up new ventures when an area of village lacks basic infrastructure. One of the reasons for uneven development of India is essentially due to the unevenly developed infrastructure. The Digital India project addresses this issue head on, realizing the importance of digital infrastructure for individual and institutional connectivity and hence productivity. The project is making all efforts to provide digital infrastructure as a utility to every citizen. What it means is a robust internet connectivity will be provided, reaching out to every village in the country and thereby for every citizen. Every citizen will be on the internet. The second part of this vision is governance and services on demand. On demand service is the de facto standard for most business services delivery today. People are getting used to online shopping and on demand services. Now, the Indian government wishes to offer all its citizen services in online and on demand format. Currently, availing any government service means that concerned person personally going to office and getting it done. It is labor intensive, paper based, and often time consuming. With Digital India, all that is will be the thing of the past. Using online services or even apps downloaded from government websites, citizens can obtain information, get certificates, and services delivered electronically. The third component of Digital India vision is digital empowerment of citizens. In order to use online services, the citizen need to be trained and made comfortable with the digital environment and its artifacts. The Indian government is taking up a massive digital literacy initiative covering all the citizens across the country.